Okay, hi, what's up? Today, I'm gonna make a dress. My name's Tania. This is Riley. I don't know if you can see her. She's trying to eat the back of my kneecaps. And today, we're gonna make a dress. That's my plan. So I went and bought a bunch of supplies from LA. I bought a skirt that I'm gonna use as my base. I bought these beaded things. Yeah, and then it's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna show you how it works, okay? So these are the two bases that I bought to be a dress. To be my dress. This is an actual dress, but I liked that it was skin tight and it was short. This is a skirt, so obviously it's the same size as this dress. It's much longer, but I want it to be like a teeny tiny dress. So this is what we're gonna start off with, okay? Hey, Riley, get off. Get off. Get off. Excuse me, back up. Thank you. On it, I have these two pieces. They are beaded. If you look at them, they're so cool. They're beaded. They're sparkly. There's little rhinestones on them. I'm really excited about these pieces. One last piece I bought was this one long beaded trim. I plan to use this as like a strap of some sort. So let's see. The first one, I kind of really like it. Actually, I like that it's, like I said, I like that it's skin tight. This is what I want out of it. The only thing I don't like is I'm gonna have to cut the top off of it. It's gonna leave a frayed space, and what if I can't make this as perfect? So this is the other skirt that I bought. This is like a stretchy material. This skirt, hi Riley. This skirt is like, it's more of a structured material, so I just feel like it might be a little easier to use. I like this skirt. The only thing I don't like about it is I don't like the length. I wanted it to be teeny tiny. I liked it. So maybe I'll go with this one since it's like a better fabric. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Like this is a good length. This is what I want. So I think I'm going to actually folded this over. I'm just gonna sew it together like this. Actually, I'm gonna put another hem at the bottom. But then let me show you what my idea is. I'm just gonna sew this piece right down the side. And then I got a really long piece so I can also use it as a top. I'm excited. Okay, so far I have pinned it to my side so that I can see exactly where I want to do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it now a couple of little hangies down so that way I can make the top too. So let me show you how far I've gotten. I cut off the excess. I pinned this to myself. I just pinned it to myself while I was wearing it too, so that way I can make sure that this, like the top piece, is as tight as possible. And then I can see where to cut off the excess. So yeah, I just pinned it down, and then I'm just gonna sew it by hand. And then to make the top, I want this line to continue straight. So what I did was I put it flat like this, and then I pinned these two together. I pinned the two faces down, so that way I can have one straight line. And with this piece, I kind of wanted to take this around the back, but also I think that a belt on this would be amazing. Oh, woo! I think that's it, right? All right, guys, what's up? It's actually a new day. I had to quit last night. It was like 1 o'clock in the morning, and then I just decided that I wasn't finishing this project last night. So here we are. We are back. Last night after I quit, I put the backing on the piece that I think is gonna be the top, and let me show you. This is the piece that's gonna be the top. I left some of the excess for like around my neck because I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. So, yeah. Okay, so here is the skirt so far. I'm actually super freaking happy with it. Yeah, I'm super happy. I think this came out so freaking cool. So I have a little bit of fixing to do. Look at how cool! I think this came out so cool. I finished removing the mesh from the top of my dress, and I attached the top back together, and then I tied it behind my neck to finish off the look. I think it came out so good, better than I could have even thought. Like, I couldn't have imagined I would make a dress like this. So thanks for coming along to watch me make this dress. I really had a lot of fun. And thank you if you helped me in any way to make this video. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.